Cancer and what is Tropic of Capricorn? Yes. Tropic of Cancer. Yeah. 23.5 degree northern hemisphere. Why it is 23.5 degree? Rotation. Tiltation. Therefore, why we have again I said that why Tropic of Cancer. Now the Tropic of Cancer is in a northern maximum limit of sun falling vertically. Northern Tropic of Cancer लिख सकते हैं आप. Tropic of Cancer, maximum northern limit of sun, maximum northern limit of sun, insolation falling vertically, falling vertically. Clear? Tropic of Capricorn, maximum southern limit of sun insolation falling vertically. Next I said Arctic Circle. It is a line after which sun rays does not fall in the northern hemisphere when sun is at Tropic of Capricorn. Means Tropic of Capricorn decides Arctic Circle. I'll teach you. Next is Antarctic Circle. और लिख लेंगे ब्रैकेट में 66 उसमें 66.5 डिग्री नॉर्थ. आर्कटिक सर्कल को क्या लिखेंगे आप? Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south and Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north. Right. Maximum. It is a line after which maximum. It is a line after which sun rays does not fall in southern hemisphere when the sun rays is falling vertically at Tropic of Cancer. My next question is write down the question और ये question आप बाद में अपने उसके अनुसार से discuss formation of Arctic So discuss formation of Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Formation. लिखेंगे फर्स्ट, फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर following factors are responsible for the formation of these circles. Formation of these circles are first, tiltation of Earth rotational axis, tiltation of Earth's rotational axis by 23.5 degree with respect to vertical. Next, tiltation direction of Earth rotational axis. Tiltation direction of Earth rotational axis is always constant. Next, revolution of Earth around Sun. Revolution of Earth around Sun. First para तो that we have to discuss this. उसके बाद you have what? 4 paras or 5 paras where this question will be completed. First paras में क्या है? This one. And this is in a question of itself. Discuss the formation of season on the Earth's surface. और season के लिए भी पहला हमें these are seasons जो बनेगा because of what? Tiltation direction 23.5 degree. And then I said that tiltation direction should be constant. जो आप लोग में से जानते नहीं बच्चे कि tiltation direction should be constant is necessary. आपका क्या क्वेश्चन होता है आंसर? Only tiltation and then revolution of Earth. But tiltation direction is constant. That is the most important. I said if I say that this earth is, I said that not tilted. पहले मेरे साथ आप बोलेंगे 21st March, 21st June, 22nd September and 22nd December. पहले तो आपको ये याद नहीं रहता है. First thing that you don't remember this, which यदि मार्च में कौन सा डेट आता है, in the June which date is there, always in the confusion, and then September and December. So which date in the March? 21st. Which date in the June? 21st. Which date in the September? 22nd. In which date in the December? 22nd. But over the period कुछ सालों के बाद केवल September जो है 22nd से 23rd होता है. Only this one. Understood? And I said that first I said that why do the sun, अच्छा आप लोगों ने which are the 3 points I have said? अभी मैंने कौन से 3 points कहा मैंने? Yes, tell me. I said tiltation direction is constant. I said tiltation direction, remember that. and I said that yes, revolution of Earth. Another I said that tiltation by 23.5 degree with respect to rotational tiltation direction of rotational axis by 23.5 degree with respect to vertical. So मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये tilt नहीं है. This is not tilt. It is, I said that like this, 0 degree, no tiltation. So yeah, I said that ध्यान से आप कुछ चीजों को observe करना. The sun rays are, suppose my eyes is like a sun, then my sun rays are falling in the what? At equator. And that is in the, I said that 21st June. And after 21st June, it will come, here it is, I said that 22nd September. Still my sun rays are falling at equator. And still, and then after 22nd September, 22nd December, sun rays are falling at equator. And after 22nd December, 21st March, sun rays are falling at equator. And then again 21st March, 21st June, sun rays are falling at equator. चला? आपने कुछ चीजें ऑब्जर्व करना होगा, शायद किए हूँ. And thereafter I said that now, if I am saying that, listen me carefully. But Earth, suppose if the question comes, write down a question. Analyze different types of 4 circles. Analyze different types of 4 circles with respect to temperature zones, vegetational structure, heat surplus and heat deficit zone, when the earth is tilted by rotational axis is tilted by, when the earth's rotational axis is tilted by 10 degree with respect to vertical. यदि अर्थ का टिल्टेशन कितना हो जाए? 10 degree. The 3 things that you have to analyze at that time: 4 circles, temperature belts, and heat surplus and heat deficit zones, and vegetational structure. Now I am going to say that, listen me carefully. Now I am going to make the earth is, generally earth is tilted with 23.5 degree, but I am making the earth is tilted with 40 degree. Suppose earth is tilted with, and this is in a 21st June, then in the 21st June sun rays are falling at, I said that 40 degree north latitude. जब earth 0 tiltation था, so it was falling at 0 degree, but earth is tilted with 40 degree, then the sun rays are falling at 40 degree north latitude. On which day? 21st June. Understood? ध्यान से. और ध्यान से ध्यान रखना, मैं tiltation direction में किधर रखा हूँ? Where is the tiltation direction? This side. Second point I have said that what? Tiltation direction should be, yes. So 40 degree north latitude on the 21st June. Thereafter I said that 22nd September. And in the 22nd September my sun rays are falling at equator. Yes, equinox. And then on 22nd September, then the sun rays started coming into the southern hemisphere at 40 degree south. Yes or not? And this is 22nd December. And I said that 22nd December to 21st March, and the sun rays are falling at equator, equinox. 22nd September, 21st March, equinox. and when I said that 21st March and thereafter I said 21st June, sun rays are falling at 40 degree north. So the maximum northern limit is 40 degree north and maximum southern limit is what? And आपने देखा, if I have said that मैंने इसको ऐसे ही रखा था tiltation direction, लेकिन जब मैं कभी सम टर्म्स when I teach to the student, उसके बाद वो घर पे जाके करते हैं, sun rays are falling in 40 degree north, 40 degree north, 40 degree north, tiltation भी है, revolution of earth भी है, but it is falling in the northern hemisphere. So which point the students are missing? Tiltation direction, जो book में भी नहीं लिखा रहता. Understood it? Tiltation direction should be what? Constant. Understood it? So when the earth is tilted with, I said that 23.5 degrees, so our maximum northern limit of the sun falling is what? 21st June, 23.5 degree north. Now the 21st June, 22nd September, 23, it is an equator equinox, and then 22nd December, it is, I said that 23.5 degrees south, and 21st March, equinox at equator, and then I said that 21st June. समझ में आ गया? Yes or not? So the वो जो point है, that is an highly striking, that is an tiltation direction should be constant. और जब ये नहीं समझ में आएगा तो climate समझना भी it is very hard. When you are missing several points, therefore what happened? The conceptual, I said that gap created, and gap create means discontinuity is there. Now, this is our earth. And you know that earth is tilted by, yes, tell me, 23.5 degree with respect to vertical. And then sun rays